doing, but I confused them. They are coming again to see if we can be able to improve our centers. Going forward, I've instructed my officers in different departments and specifically of education to ensure that enough money is allocated for the construction and completion of workshops and hostels in our vocational centers. As we await the release of KCSE results, I wish all the candidates the best, and whatever the outcome, I wish to advise them to take up the opportunity in various training institutions and gain skills to better their lives instead of giving up and indulging in drugs. The day before yesterday, I was at the hospital and I found young people who have been taking drugs. And for those of you who saw it, they were open. They were saying, mimi navuta bangi, ndio sababu niko hospitali, nilikunywa dawa. I don't know where you could be today. We have given you an opportunity, young people. Some of us did not get the opportunity that you have gotten today. I had to sell sukuma wiki. In the morning, I would go to Marikiti, Retail, Ngara, Kikomba, Wangige, Kawangware. Then, when I have classrooms in the afternoon, I would go to school. You have been given an opportunity by Kenya Commercial Bank and the Kisii County government. Please, we want to ask you, go get the skill. The day we'll be having here the graduation, we'll be happy. Bwana Director, I want to assure you, we will absorb our work into our departments for internship. Now all other places here, there are many construction sites, there are many businesses around. We'll reach out to our partners to see each and every one of you have gotten an internship center. Then later on, we'll give you guys the toolbox, which will help you. Kwa hivyo wewe tumepea kazi. Ni kazi. Story nyingine wachana nayo. Hii mambo ya mitandao matusi, wewe wachana. Concentrate na mambo ya masomo yako. I want to more promise kwamba kwenda mbele, and I'm going to plead with my good MCAs. We must purpose. Kwa sababu watu wanamaliza form 4 ni wengi sana. There are very few join to universities who go to other colleges. For those ones who be left behind, it's our responsibility. As a governor, it's my responsibility to make sure these people, they have gotten a skill. Ajiri Center we started here, hapa chini mahali tumekaa. 15,000 students wamepita hapa. At least they have a skill. Nimeona director yule jamaa amesimamia, wewe huyu mtu kutoka South Mugrango. How many students tumepitisha hapa? Tumefika 19,000. That is the partnership of the county and MasterCard. 19,000. Tumefungua center in Nyamagwa kwa Mheshimiwa Steve Arika, Mheshimiwa Sonya. Tumefungua center Mheshimiwa Mauti center kule South Mugrango. Na it's a free course na iko hapa chini. Hakuna kitu kingine, barabara tutaweza tengeneza. Hapa Kisii afadhali barabara ambayo inatengenezwa kule North Eastern kwa sababu inakaa mwaka mzima ndiposa mvua inanyesha. But hapa leo tukitengeneza, jioni mvua inachukua hiyo mchanga. Therefore we have to put more money into the constructions of the roads. The only road ambayo yezi oshwa na mvua na ujinga ni barabara ya Bongo. Na hakuna mtu mjinga hapa. Mungu amekubariki. Kama wewe si engineer, you sure kwamba mahali umeenda kama ni saloonist, wewe fanya kazi hiyo. Nikubalie nimalize kusema eke gusi aba iboli